Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am Amita ma'am and welcome to General Awareness Space. Today in General Awareness Space, we will revise about water animals. Do the section with me, my little ones. Make a fish. चलो बच्चों फिश बनाओ. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. पानी में डालो तो जी जाएगी, सारा पानी पी जाएगी. Now you know children, fish and some more animals live in water. So today we will revise about water animals. They eat other water animals and grass that grows in water. So let us revise water animals.
There are many different kinds of fish that live in water. They are of different color and size. This is a goldfish. This is a starfish. It has 5 hands. This is a whale. It is the largest sea animal. This is a shark. It is a fast swimmer and have very sharp teeth. This is a dolphin. It is also a fast swimmer and it is our national water animal. This is a frog. It lives in water as well as on land. This is a jellyfish. It looks like an umbrella. This is a crab. It has 10 legs and 2 small eyes. This is a turtle. It lives in water as well as on land. This is a crocodile. It is also a large water animal. It lives on land also. This is a seahorse. It is a small water animal. This is an octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. This is a lobster. It has 10 legs.
Let's do one worksheet related to it.
Here is the worksheet. In this worksheet, we have to circle the water animals. In this worksheet, we have monkey, turtle, butterfly, octopus, pigeon, seahorse, crab, dolphin, and squirrel. First picture is monkey. It is not a water animal, so we will not circle it. Second, turtle. It is a water animal, so we will circle it. Third, butterfly. It is not a water animal, so we will not circle it. Next is octopus. It is a water animal, so we will circle it. Then it is a pigeon. It is not a water animal, so we will not circle it. Next, it is a seahorse. It is a water animal, so we will circle it. Next, crab. It is a water animal, so we will circle it. Then, dolphin. It is also a water animal, so we will circle it. Last, it is a squirrel. It is not a water animal, so we will not circle it.
Hope you all enjoyed learning about water animals. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.